Have you ever visualized talking to a friend and you see that at that instant itself you got a call from that friend? Has it ever happened that you visualize a dance step and when there's an event where you have to perform that step, you perform it exactly the same way? Have you thought about a food item? Have you visualized a food item and you see that mom has made that for dinner that particular day? It is to observe these things on a daily basis and utilize this very, very powerful tool. We have heard most of the time for any particular story, I will believe it when I see it. It is one of the paths for sure. But there is another path which says, I will keep believing it till I see it. Now, based on this, there was a researcher, Alan Richardson from Australia, who did a research on basketball players. He divided the basketball players into 3 groups. Now, these 3 groups, the first group was told that you have to keep practicing shooting the ball for the next 20 days. The second group was asked to do nothing. The third group was asked to not touch a ball and simply visualize shooting the ball. Now, after 20 days, the results were out. The first group made an improvement by 24%. The second group, it was very obvious, they did not make any improvement. And the third group was a bit stunning. They made a shocking 23% improvement without even touching the ball. It was simply by visualizing on the effectiveness of how they were shooting the ball with the power of visualization. Now, this study is not to tell you that don't do anything. Please understand, it is to tell you that take action, but also utilize this tool of having a mental rehearsal by using the power of visualization. Now, let's take an example of achieving a dream and desire. For example, the area of fitness. Ask yourself, how is your ultimate version going to look like? How is your ultimate level of physique going to look like? How are you going to feel like? Wow, people are appreciating me for the way I look. Wow, how did I achieve this? People are asking me this question. They are getting inspired with the way I am looking. I am getting into the best of clothes. I'm able to shop each and every cloth or each and every attire that I had desired in my life. I'm able to fit into every particular attire. So visualize, ask yourself, look at yourself, how you will feel like, how you will look like. Now, why so much of precision? Because if you just keep a goal that I want to lose weight, this is a pretty vague goal, and vague goals will always give you vague results. There is a certain way the universal intelligence perceives things. When you set an intent that you want to achieve a particular goal with precision, the universal intelligence will rearrange itself and get you the right people, the right resources, the right infrastructure, the right mentors, and the right direction to your dreams and desires. Arnold Schwarzenegger used this same approach while winning Mr. Olympia. Tiger Woods and Michael Jordan have mentioned this as well. Novak Djokovic is a big proponent of this particular power of visualization. As neuroscience has it, your brain does not know the difference between an experience-based emotion and an emotion that you are creating by thought alone.